Hello there, it's Jenny from WTI, and let me tell you a bit about this lip moisturizer from the brand Labello. I always have dry lips, they crack easily, and I need a moisturizer to help keep them hydrated so I don't feel uncomfortable with chapped lips. This lip balm, as you can see, is small. I love its design, size, everything. Because if I want to carry my pores, I put it there. And if I don't want to carry anything, I can put it in my coat and take it with me everywhere I go. And my favorite part that I don't have to apply many times a day. The product lasts a long time on my lips. Although it comes in different flavors, I chose this one because I'm someone who bites my lips when I'm anxious. And since this lip balm has no flavor, I don't feel it. For me, it's the best moisturizer because it takes care of my lips. And that's my point of view.